Hi everyone, welcome back for a second time today to Trade Precision. There you can see that big run up we had in oil earlier today. Now we're going to look at taking a short. It looks like we got one that's possibly going to set up. Yeah, so let's mark this down now. Okay, we're looking for a short, so we're going to mark some resistance now on the chart. Right now we know right where it's going to be. It's going to be at 109.83. And you can see we're trading at about 109.70 right now. So we're looking at resistance at 109.83 right now. My typing is not the best, as you can see. And with working with the infinity charts, I'm just getting used to them. But hopefully in the next couple weeks we'll have it down pretty good there. 109.83. Yeah, we've got resistance at 109.83. That was a great trade earlier today. So now we'll see what happens with this one. Like we do, we don't know if it's going to make it back up to that price, but if it does, that's where we'll look for a short opportunity. It's getting closer now. We're like about 5 ticks away from our entry price. Resistance, it means we'll be looking for a short. Now we're about 3 ticks away, and 2 ticks now, and there we go. We hit our price. Okay, so we're entered now. This is the infinity platform. It's just a little hard to see, but we're entered at 109.83. Our first profit target is always set for like 10 points on oil, and the second one we set at 20. And if we can catch it fast enough, which sometimes these trades move so quickly we don't always catch them, but there you can just see that we're back at our entry price again. But usually they move pretty quick, and I was just trying to take a look there, and so far we've taken 1 tick of heat so far. Much better than the first trade today, but just 1 tick of heat, and now we're in this thing and looking to take it back down. We're trying to get to 73. We're about 3 ticks away right now from our first profit target, and pushing this thing on down, hopefully. We also had a trade set up on gold, and we'll see if that one's going to come through after a little bit. 1 tick away now. There we go. We got filled. We got our first profit target. That's 10 points. 10 points in oil, and not that long traders. We haven't been in this trade all that long. Just a couple minutes and 10 points. It's nice to get the first one. And now, since we had that big run up, I'm just going to go for the second profit target. I'm just going to go for the 20 ticks on the second one. It seems as if there's a lot of upward pressure. We don't know where it's going to go for sure. We just try to pick the support and resistance levels. And what I mean when I say that is that we're looking for the level where this thing is probably going to move one direction. It's going to reverse direction at. We're not correct 100% of the time, but we feel that have a pretty good method of keeping track of support and resistance. And when you know that, then you can confidently place your orders. At Trade Precision, we're going to look at a couple different markets in our live trading room. The live trading room will be open again on Monday morning, beginning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Now, it'll be open at 9 o'clock Eastern Time on Monday morning. We'll offer some free time in it, but then there'll be a password to get into the room, so you'll need the password to get in, everyone. Trying to get this thing down, moving a little bit slower than we would like. Well, of course, we'd always like it to go right away. I guess that's not the right thing to say, but there we are. We're coming down now, and we got it. Okay. Nope. Sorry, 69. Not quite down there yet. 68. We got to get down to 63 for our 20 ticks. It's a little harder on this screen, but I'll show a Trade Ninja the next time where I can get the dome up there too, and when you see both of them, you can see it pretty clearly. Where our price is. but we're getting it on down. We're getting close to that. We're 4 ticks away right now. We've gotten a little bit closer. Trying to get down there. 2 ticks away. There, we got it. We got all the way down. Okay, traders, that's it. 10 ticks and 20 ticks on oil after that big run up this morning. So we're not just trend traders. We're trading the trades that are there with support resistance. That's pretty much the end of the oil trade. Now let's take a look here. We had an opportunity set up in gold, and I'll type it in now. We're going to look for another short trade in gold right here and right now. We're going to go at 1486.70, and the purpose of the arrow there is really just to show you guys, how much how much time we have, to enter into a trade, that we know, way ahead of time what our entry price is going to be. That's the benefit of trading this way instead of using indicators, in that you're not waiting for your indicator to signal something. You know ahead of time, what you're looking for. So 1486.70 is what we're looking for. That's where our resistance is at, and with resistance we're looking to go short. Support, we're looking for long. We go with a 15 tick stop and try to move the stop as quickly as possible. Okay, there we go. Getting up there. We probably hit it. We probably hit our price. Yeah, we're filled. We're filled. And now we watch this thing. We're trying to get. We're filled at 1486.70. And trying to get this thing to pop on back down. We've got the fill, and like I said, we've got a 15 tick stop on it. We'll go for the 10 tick profit target, 10 and 20. We'll go for on this trade too. It's near the end of the day, and you can see gold had a good run up like oil did. Okay, 86.70, so that means gotta get down to 85.70. And it looks like we're going to get filled on that right away too. Pretty good. not that long that we're in the trade. We sat for a little bit. You can see we sat like about 10 minutes, to get this thing to fill. But now we're down. Yeah, you can see we got the filled again. So that's real nice. And now we'll look for 10 more ticks. See if we can get that in this one. It's been a little bit slow moving. So we've been about 15 minutes in this trade. We've got 10 ticks on gold already. I got my stop moved down to right around break even now. And there, look at that run. Just that one bar and we got filled. Just that real quick move, we got filled. Well, that's it for today, traders. That's 3 trades today. The one you saw earlier, and then these two, one on oil and one on gold. And just remember, this works on any market and any time frame. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll be back up with the Trading Room Monday at 9 o'clock. Thanks, traders.